Elecard CodecWorks is a professional modular solution for real-time transcoding, encoding, multiplexing, and demultiplexing of video. CodecWorks is a software product that allows encoding video into different formats, profiles, and for various content delivery protocols. Smooth encoder operation is one of the most important requirements for high-quality broadcasting. In this video, we will consider the triggers used by Elecard CodecWorks to detect problems in the input stream and take actions to maintain continuous broadcasting. These can be switching to a redundant source, enabling color bar generation, and notifying via SNMP. You can learn about setting up these features from previous videos. In addition, you can set up other simple actions if redundancy and CBG are not suitable for your project, for example, encoding restart. To configure the triggers, open the Service Settings window and go to the source redundancy. By default, the trigger thresholds are set as follows: no video for 3 seconds, no sound for 3 seconds, 15 continuity counter errors per second for 5 seconds. If the encoder detects that these values are exceeded, it will switch to the redundant source or enable the CBG. If both the redundant source is configured and the CBG is enabled, the redundant source has priority and CBG will only start if one of these events occurs on both sources. CodecWorks also has some advanced trigger settings. These include encrypted stream detection, TS loss, non-decodability of the stream, incoming codec changed, continuity counter errors by PID. These settings are not present in the interface in order to keep the product flexible and not overloaded with information and settings. You can configure advanced triggers with the help of Elecard technical support engineers. CodecWorks also has more global triggers that are activated if there are no input streams for all consoles, no access to the web DAV server, or the CPU load level is exceeded. These triggers are used together with server redundancy and can be configured in the redundancy window on the Redundancy Settings tab. When these events occur, the local CodecWorks service is forced to stop and the redundant server starts running. These triggers allow avoiding consequences if there are hardware problems with the transcoding server, network interfaces, or cables connecting the server to the network infrastructure. We understand that sometimes you may need help. Elecard has a support team as well as a business team that can help structure a solution for you. We can help address all your video encoding and transcoding needs for projects of any scale and complexity.